11 everybody. We behind property 84. Angler AJ has got the pole in her hand and we got a nibble over here everybody. We got a nibble. Alright, we came back here to check everything out. When we were here the other day at peak tide, the water was where we stuck those branches in there. So all the way up here. Let's see. It is muddy, mucky, nasty. We ain't going down there. I do not have my mud shoes on. I didn't even intend to come this far down here, but all those logs stayed pretty much in place. Look here. Water came up pretty high. All right, we're here on day 8, everybody. Here on day 8, and it's about a week after day 7 was filmed because we had a 30-year flood here and the water was nearly to the top of that hill over there. So today I've been straightening my logs out because they got strewn all over the place, and we did a little more clearing back here. So it is low tide. We're going to go ahead and walk back and show it to you. As you can see, we have been clearing. Back here, we cleared out some more in here, specifically right in here today. And we are on the south end of our property. Cut all this out today. We're leaving the limbs in here on purpose like so we can stand on them. And here we are to the water's edge. More clearing at the water. I think that little point up there is our north tip. I think I'm kind of at the south one or close. Alright, it is day 9, and we did a good bit of brush cutting. We lost our chain about 20 minutes in on the pole saw, so we went to the brush cutter. Kind of glad we did because we got a lot done. Get y'all down here. And we are not clearing this path because these are good to stand on and walk on when it's mucky. As you can see, we have cleared it out. We are on our south property line. It's just a little to the right of where we cleared here. And then we have a good ways this way still to do. We're out past that point out there. Let's get you out here. Get you a good view. We can really get out here. Get a good view of the water. So our little pier will stick out off that point about 14 feet and then come this way about 20 feet. So we'll have a little place to dock the boat right there. Thank y'all for watching. We sure do appreciate you. Okay, see, there's that road and the very top of the hill up there. From right here, you can see the water and the top of the hill. All right, y'all, it is day 10, and that little light you see through there is the water. We are at the bottom of the hill before the logs even start, and we have cleared enough where you can see through to the water. Very proud of it. We'll bring you back soon for day 11, I think. If we're gonna close this one up, I don't know if we are or not, but if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, share, leave a comment for us. Appreciate you watching. It's day 11, everybody. We behind property 84. Angler AJ has got the pole in her hand, and we got a nibble over here, everybody. We got a nibble. Might be little, we don't know.